think they're severely lost.
Told you.
Shut up. We're heading into Illinois and staying at the Carlisle Lake Dam. The West Campground in the area was closed, but there's a smaller campground right next to the dam that was open in March. Look at all those birds.
Pelicans. I thought those were saltwater birds.
I don't know. An egret? What are pelicans doing in Illinois? I think they're severely lost. You gotta think they get tired after a while. Wow. I can't believe they let you walk up here. This is pretty cool. Oh, by the way, we're in Carlisle Lake, Illinois. Looks like they have a decent-sized marina here too. I mean, this is the biggest lake in Illinois, I believe. No, I think it is. I will look that up. I think Lake Carlisle, or Carlisle Lake, is the biggest lake in Illinois.
No, Lake Michigan is.
That does not count.
Oh, it is, dude. It touches.
Large birds, white with black wings at the end. I don't know.
Bigger sea.
Are they more pelicans? What the heck? They are pelicans. Look at their beaks. Look at that. What are you doing? That is crazy. It's like a whole, what is it, a gaggle of pelicans? Like what was it? A posse of pelicans? I think that's what I'm going with. Posse of pelicans. Yep. I'll go. What's the largest lake in Illinois?
Lake Michigan Huron, and the surface area is 45,300.
No, that doesn't count. It's not all in Illinois. Google, you're wrong.
Told you.
Shut up. That's not what you know what I meant. Look at all of them. Hordes of pelicans. We make it back to our home base at Kamlara Park in Hudson, Illinois. We're here to pick up a new hitch that's being shipped by Torglift. This is supposed to address some of the paint and rust issues we've had. We'll share more in a future video.
Hungry for the road all my life, thirsty for adventure all my youth, chasing all my freedoms down Liberty Avenue. And every time I hear a phrase my mother used to say to me, everything happens for a reason, I get the feeling I need a little taste of home, 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 just a little taste of home. I need a little taste of home, home, home. I need a little taste of home. Nothing like kitchen conversation, steam coming up off the stove, photographs down the staircase showing our stories unfold. every time I hear a song my father used to sing to me. Sweet words of an Irish lullaby. I get the feeling I need. A little taste of home, home, home. I need a little taste of home. Home, home, home. Just a little taste of home. I need a little taste of home, home, home. No matter where I go.
Morning. We are now back in Illinois and at Kamlara Park. We've been doing some projects around here and just need a bit of a break, so we're gonna enjoy some of the trails that are in the area. Want to say anything?
No.
Gotta check out our Illinois waterfalls. There we go. We don't have to go across that, do we?
No, I don't believe so.
That's good. Oh boy. All right, you hear that? That is the most amazing sound. That means spring is coming. Peepers. Those are some seriously loud peepers. This is the bovine run, it says. But
Yeah,
what do you have to do, swim?
How do you plan on getting over there without getting soaked?
Those are pelicans. More pelicans in Illinois. Whoa! Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Look, that is so cool. Wow, there's so many of them. That's a lot of pelicans. What are you doing here? Well, that's more than enough bird watching for now. We need to get moving so we can ship this hitch back to forklift and store our bikes as we begin packing up for our next escapade. We're heading into Michigan to sell our deck boat. If you enjoy watching our videos, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks!